Hey, good afternoon. Well, you might be watching this tomorrow. Today we're doing lesson 12-3, where we're going to be combining volumes. In lesson 12-2, you were just finding the volume of one figure. So if you're on your math book, this is page 294. I'm going to do with you problem number 1. And then on the back, you're going to see problem number 5. I'm going to talk about problem number 1 first. Let me turn this a little bit of a weird angle there. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to find the length times the width times the height of two different volumes. So you're going to need to break these apart. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide it into A and B. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cross this off and I'm going to fill this in. And think if you were opening presents at Christmas, you have one that's on the bottom that's kind of purple. Okay, so I'm going to call that A. And it's going to have a length of 15, which is right here, a width of 7, and the height is going to be right here. It's not going to go all the way up. That's where the mistake is. The height, you're going to look over here, it's going to be 2 inches. So we have 15 times 7 times 2, okay? Now, the next one is going to be B. So I have some remainder. I'm going to use my black marker. So I label it. And you see where I have it shaded black? That's going to be the big one. This is the hardest part of the whole lesson right here. You're going to want to double count this. See where I have the purple down here? But I already counted that, so I'm just going to count what I have shaded black above. So there's a real fine cutoff line that goes like this. And I'm going to ignore this because I already found the volume of that with 15 times 7 times 2. So I'm going to look. It's going to have, at first I'm going to find the length. Now this isn't given right here, but I have 10 and I have 15 here. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. So I'm going to write a 5 right there. And if you look here, there's a 5, and a 5. You can use that to find the length also. So now I'm going to find the width, which is going to be right here. How wide is it? I have a 7 right here, and it goes all the way up. So I know it's going to be a 7. And next, I'm going to find the height. How tall is this? So from here all the way down is 8, but I already used this 2 right here. So I know I'm going to use this 6, which is this one right here. And you can look at your book. It has a good model too, number 1 in your book. So I'm going to have 5 times 7 times 6. Okay. So what I'll do next, I'll multiply these out. 15 times 7 times 2. To save a little bit of time, I did it ahead of time. It's going to be 210. And then 5 times 7 times 6, you do 35 times 6. 35 times 6 is going to be 210 again. Okay, so 210 inches cubed, 210 cubic inches. So what I do next now is you're going to add A plus B, 210. Oops, that didn't turn out quite right. 210 plus 210. And that equals 420 cubic inches. That should be your answer to number 1. Okay? So I'm going to post a different video with another problem. This was problem 1, so hopefully that helps you out.